Do you like to cook? Do you like to cook? Who left this pen here? Who left this pen here? Who left the door open? Who left the door open? May I borrow your car? May I borrow your car? Why are you asking? Why are you asking? Where do you live? Where do you live? Could I park my car here? Could I park my car here? Can you answer this? Can you answer this? Would you like to wait? Would you like to wait? What happened? What happened? Do you drink coffee? Do you drink coffee? Didn't you go out? Didn't you go out? Is this your bike? Is this your bike? Which of them is your brother? Which of them is your brother? What do you want? What do you want? What do you need? What do you need? May I use your pen? May I use your pen? Will you go by train? Will you go by train? Has he arrived already? Has he arrived already? When can we eat? When can we eat? What will you do on Friday? What will you do on Friday? Can I eat this? Can I eat this? Where will we meet? Where will we meet? Will you please help me? Will you please help me? When will they arrive? When will they arrive? How is your dad? How is your dad? Could you repeat that? Could you repeat that? How about tomorrow? How about tomorrow? Do you like snow? Do you like snow? Has he come here? Has he come here? Can you help me? Can you help me? Can you come? Can you come? What is over there? What is over there? Can I see that one? Can I see that one? Who is playing the guitar? Who is playing the guitar? Did you see him go out? Did you see him go out? How long will it take? How long will it take? Why are you looking so sad? Why are you looking so sad? Will she come? Will she come? Where can I get a taxi? Where can I get a taxi? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? Are you all right? Are you all right? When did you buy it? When did you buy it? Are you ready to go out? Are you ready to go out? Why do you lie? Why do you lie? Can't you speak English? Can't you speak English? Has he failed again? Has he failed again? Will it rain tomorrow? Will it rain tomorrow? When is the school over? When is the school over? Did you speak at all? Did you speak at all? How about a cup of tea? How about a cup of tea? Can you tell me the way? Can you tell me the way? Do you want money? Do you want money? Do you like coffee? Do you like coffee? Are you going there? Are you going there?